Hey guys, welcome to my channel again, Africa 55 YouTube channel. Welcome to 2021. We have our first video that we're gonna load in 2021. I welcomed you guys with the Uadi. It's an instrument, an African instrument that my mother made it for me, and she taught me how to play it. So I just want to say welcome, and I just decided to welcome you guys with that. I love it. I'm so in love with that instrument. The first video of this year, it's under a theme called Own Your Story. Own Your Story, it's about everyone, but mostly about women who have gone through a lot of stuff and they are owning their story. So the poem is called The Black Eagle. That is actually the video. It's about that poem. It's called The Black Eagle. I have written the poem in 2012 after I have survived a horrific experience myself, and I wrote that poem because I survived it, and I dedicate the poem to all women who have gone through horrific experiences and they have survived. A friend of mine, Patrick Tankama, has translated the poem into French, and we are both reading the poem. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this poem. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing, guys. I appreciate everything. Thank you so much.
Coucou, bienvenue à Africa 55, qui est une compagnie qui est dans l'événementiel africain, panafricain. Je suis ici avec la poétesse sud-africaine Lindelwa Kisana et nous allons vous lire un de ses poèmes qui s'intitule The Black Eagle ou L'Aigle Noir. Nous sommes amis depuis 2012, donc pratiquement depuis que je suis en Afrique du Sud. Je suis arrivée en 2009 et en 2017 nous avons créé donc la société Africa 55 qui fait donc des débats, des expositions autour du tourisme et de l'histoire africaine.
Welcome everyone, my name is Lindelwa Kisana and I am with here Patrick Tankama. We are from Africa 55, an organization that was started 9 years ago. That was in 2011. We started it as African Square, where we opened platform for African issues. But in 2017, we registered Africa 55 as a non-profit organization. So we are still operating, doing different projects that accommodate African diaspora and African issues at large. We are based in South Africa, but we welcome everybody, whether you are in France, you're in Europe, wherever you are. Today we're going to read a poem called The Black Eagle, which is in French, in English, and in Xhosa. The poem I wrote in 2012. I hope you enjoy it. A black eagle. She is a black eagle. She is a black eagle with black wings. A black eagle with black eyes. A black eagle with black skin, black heart, black brain, black emotions, black wisdom.
Un aigle noir. Elle est un aigle noir. Elle est un aigle noir aux ailes noires, un aigle noir aux yeux noirs, un aigle noir à la peau noire. Cœur, cerveau, émotion, sagesse ébène.
She is a black eagle. She flies higher and higher with her black wings. She flies in dynamics with her dominating black wings, dominating her body. She flies all the way from the face of the earth to the face of the skies. She flies dynamically that she can kiss the earth and the sky at the same time with no man's notice. She is a black eagle with a black heart. Her heartbeat
ponders the strongness in her black brain. She flies with eagerness. She flies with braveness. She flies with wiseness.
Elle est un aigle noir. Elle vole au plus haut du ciel. Emportée par ses ailes noires, son vol est si dynamique et si imposante ses sombres ailes, ainsi que son corps majestueux. Elle vole de la face du sol vers la face du ciel, d'un vol si dynamique qu'elle peut embrasser la terre et le ciel, sans que nul ne le voie. Elle est un aigle noir. Le battement de son corps réfléchit la force de son noir cerveau. Elle vole avec passion. Elle vole d'un vol intrépide. Elle vole avec sagesse. Quand elle vole, elle traverse des lieux, différents endroits, bons et mauvais, malfaisants et divins. Quand elle vole, elle voit différentes vies.
When she flies, she crosses places, different places, good and bad, evil and godly. When she flies, she sees different lives. When she flies, she discovers deep, dark secrets hidden carefully by them secret owners. When she flies, she sees through oceans, rivers, and streams. When she flies, she sees dangers.
Quand elle vole, elle voit différentes vies. Quand elle vole, elle découvre de profonds et sombres secrets, bien cachés par leurs gardiens. Quand elle vole, elle voit par-delà les océans, les fleuves et les rivières. Quand elle vole, elle voit les dangers. Quand elle vole, elle voit.
Yet when she flies, she sees that little boy hiding behind that big stone by the rivers. That boy who always staring at her, watching her tirelessly, reading her. That boy with that sharp bow in his hands. That boy who is pulling that string, looking straight at her. Searching, searching, searching for her black heart.
Quand elle vole, elle voit ce petit garçon caché derrière ce grand rocher près du fleuve. Ce garçon qui toujours l'observe, la scrutant sans relâche, lisant en elle. Ce gamin qui tient une flèche aiguisée dans sa main. Ce gamin qui tire sur la corde, la regardant droit, cherchant, cherchant, cherchant son cœur noir.
She is a black eagle with black wings, black brain, black emotions, black wisdom. When she flies, the Mother Earth softens. When she flies, the skies smile. She is a black eagle.
Elle est un aigle noir, aux ailes noires, cerveau noir, émotions noires, sagesse noire. Quand elle vole, la terre-mère s'adoucit. Quand elle vole, le ciel sourit. Elle est un aigle noir. Merci.
Thank you.
Yeah, so do you have any message to our friends all over the world, in Russia? I do have friends in Russia, in Japan, in Germany, in Belgium, in France, in Congo, in South Africa, in the United States, in Canada. I do have family and friends there. So do you have any things to tell her? To tell them?
I just want to say welcome to Africa 55, and I just want to say hi to them. If they want to say anything to us, they have any comments. But most importantly, in Africa, at Africa 55, we welcome everyone. So this poem is the first poem we're reading to our people. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we're going to be presenting more work to you. Welcome to Africa 55 yet again.
Merci, comme elle dit, merci à tout le monde. Et vous pouvez faire vos commentaires au sujet de ce poème, au sujet d'Africa 55. Et moi, je vous demande, go to our Facebook page, Africa 55.
Oh, yes.
And like it.
And on Instagram.
On Instagram, yes, also. And also on YouTube.
And on YouTube as well.
Yeah.
Go to Africa 55 on YouTube. We have 3 projects that you will enjoy it, about women issues, about stuff that is happening. So it's YouTube, it's Africa, it's Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah.
Yes.
So thank you very much and see you very soon.
And please subscribe on our YouTube, Africa 55. You will be able to subscribe there.
Bye-bye.
Bye.